What is up, everyone, and welcome to 2021. Happy New Year. Today is January 2nd. I've got some work to do in the Bermuda and thought I'd take you along with me. We're going to be getting all of these clippings off of the grass. We're going to clean it up and give it a fresh reel mow. It is still growing and it is January 2nd, so Happy New Year and welcome to 2021, right? Now, I was gone for about 6 days. My family and I took a trip to Denver, Colorado, got to go snowboarding, got to see all the snow, visit Colorado, and enjoy ourselves before 2021 starts. And that was a blast. That was a great trip. Well, while I was gone, the grass was left unattended, so it's grown in and it's recovered quite a bit from some of this negligence that I provided. And on New Year's Eve, we got about 4 inches of rain overnight, like throughout the day of New Year's Eve day, and that flooded a lot of these clippings out of the grass and floated them up. So yesterday on New Year's Day, January 1st, I took my rake and just raked them up, kind of get them out as much as I could, and to kind of get them to dry a little bit as well. And now that it's January 2nd, we got a sunny day. Hopefully they're dry enough, and we're gonna get them out of here, clean up the Bermuda, give it a nice fresh cut. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that like button and tap and subscribe down below. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter at donslawns1, and I look forward to communicating with you guys over there as well. As you can tell, this Cobalt 24-volt battery blower works pretty good. It's got a pretty good amount of power. Now, I have noticed that when the battery's low, the power does decrease, but with a fresh charge, it can kind of kick it, and it can kind of blow pretty strong. So I'm gonna blow as much of these clippings out, rake what I can, rake, blow, and then probably broom also and brush the Bermuda. Give it a nice, good little brush job. The trick with using that broom or brush is that you're really lifting up all the leaf blades and getting any of that debris kind of loose. And then I'm gonna come back through with the blower again, and maybe even my mower, and just try to bag or kind of suck up and blow off all of those little clippings and things that have gotten in there and all the debris from mowing all summer and throughout the fall. So I don't have a bag on my reel mower, and that's probably why there's so many clippings, obviously. But something in the future I may consider. Obviously, I want to get a powered reel mower, but second to that, I may just try to get a bag for this manual reel. That way I can catch my clippings. It is a little bit of a workout, but new year, new me, right? I'm also taking a second and cleaning out my lip between my St. Augustine and my Bermuda, because there's a lot of clippings that got stuck in there, and wet, damp clippings. You know, you're looking for disease and issues to occur. So try to clean that out some too while I'm working on it. So I have raked, I've blown, I've brushed, I've blown again. I'm gonna go over it now with my rotary mower at the lowest setting, on setting number 1, or may even go as low as I can with the settings, and cut everything, bag everything else that I can. See if we can pull up some more of these Bermuda clippings and whatever else other kind of junk might be in there. It's about quite a bit. I don't know if you can tell. It's probably about 1/3 of a bag full, holding it upright. About 1/3 of a bag full. That's a lot of clippings to pull out. And I haven't mowed this with the reel mower in probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. I'll have to check, but it's been a while. So that's a lot of clippings that have been in there that all that rain really washed and soaked and floated out. Rain is a good thing, guys. It's real nice when you get a really fat, heavy rain like that, because it does float out all of your clippings and then allows you to clean it up and, in a sense, freshen up your lawn. So is my method the perfect method? It's perfect for me. Does it get all of the clippings out? No, but it gets a lot of them out, and that's good enough for me right now. Use the broom, use the rake, use the blower, and then you use your rotary mower. You clean it all up, and now with a fresh cut, freshly reel mowed Bermuda section, the lawn is looking beautiful again. This is January 2nd, 2021, and I've got nice green grass to play on. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Really means a lot to me when you guys subscribe and like my videos. And leave a comment down below. Let me know some of your goals for 2021 in the lawn. I look forward to hearing from you guys. As always, best of luck in the lawn.